assets like tracks, the
problem is that we talk of the investment, we talk of the new technology,
right.
we talk of the TPWS, we talk that if the track is somewhere damaged, the train must stop. That technology is available in the world, and we should adopt that. Everybody says like that. But when it comes that the sum of the fare, passenger fare should be increased, there will be a lot of hue and cry. Unfortunate is that since last 15, 20 years, there has not been any increase in the passenger fare. We are subsidizing from our freight to the our passenger.
And the freight is also at an all-time low at the moment.
And no, freight is very high. Our freight is going to the road only because of this reason.
Okay.
The problem is
no, I'm talking about the railway freight, which is at an all-time low.
For that, the politicians are truly responsible.
Okay.
Because they don't have courage to increase the fare.
Right.
There has been time that the fare has been reduced to some extent.
So if the
that should
political
not be
class...
there. But one thing you must understand, that simply by collecting the fare, you are not going to have the railway line world class, or you cannot maintain the railway tracks and the railway rolling stock. For that, you have to find some investment, you have to find some other source. But what my brother has said, I 100% opposed to that.
Okay.
Because privatization is no solution for the Indian Railways. Because the trains which we are running, this what you talk of the Wi-Fi, what you talk of the e-catering, what you talk, all these things, these are for the shoshebaji for only 5% people. The 95%, the user of this country is a poor person. He looks Indian Railways. He don't have that money that he will he can fly by air. So if we want to solve them, then that is not possible that the government should not take this responsibility. Since last month, 63 years, the railways have been in the service of our poor people, common people of this country.
So,
Tata, Adani or anybody, they cannot give this service.
Right. But if I
in
could
such, in such a low fare and in economic.
But if I were to ask you,